Hey everyone, this is Simon with Food Travelers. In this episode, we are doing a room tour at the famous Rosewood Hotel Phnom Penh, located in the heart of Cambodia's vibrant capital. The hotel's lobby is located on the 35th floor, so when checking in, you'll first have to speak to the concierge on the ground floor, who will then bring you up. Once you enter the room, you're greeted with a short hallway that to my left sits a decorative lamp and the master controls for the room. The front door uses a chain link lock, so when you click the tab to show red, the door is secured with the chain link. The room we had was located on the corner on the 29th floor. On the opposite side of the lamp is a full-size mirror. As you saw, we paid about 400 USD per night, which is definitely pricey for Phnom Penh. Further down the hall is the closet, which has plenty of room to hold your suitcases, clothes, and other storage needs. The room booked was a premier twin room with river view, which encompassed about 538 square feet or about 50 square meters. The room includes complimentary Wi-Fi, turn-down service, bottled water, and breakfast for each night of your stay. As you saw, within the closet is the safe, which I think was one of the more secure safes I've seen, as it's secured to the closet drawer itself. In other hotels I've seen, the safes have been small, light, and unsecured in a closet, which can bring some anxiety since the entire safe can literally be lifted out and taken. Other standard closet items such as hangers, slippers, laundry bag, and a laundry service sheet are included. As you enter the front door, to the left side or opposite the closet is the entrance to the bathroom. The bathroom was pretty spacious and included a privacy toilet area, shower, double sinks, and a bathtub. The toilet area was nicely decorated and included your standard Southeast Asia bum gun. What I really liked was that there was shelving above the toilet paper, which made it really nice to place your cell phone on. It's a small touch, but it was nice to have, as we all know everyone just about takes their phone in with them to do their business. Another nice touch was the toilet paper, which actually had the hotel's logo imprinted on each sheet. Next to the toilet room was the shower. Like many new hotels around the city, the shower provides various choices, including the waterfall shower and the handheld spray. There was plenty of room to stand inside, so you didn't feel like you were crunched, and it also included your shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. Next to the shower was the double sink. Down below you can find the extra towels and a weight scale. Above the counter, there are 2 bottles of water were available to use if you felt uncomfortable gargling and spitting with the tap water. Located on the countertop also was the vanity mirror, tissues, hand soap, lotion, and amenity kits that had other toiletries in them. Now, on the right side of the bathroom was the bathtub. When we first walked in, we thought that the room wouldn't work for us, as the room was open and the other person could actually see inside, but we kind of quickly realized that the wall does close to give you total privacy. After exiting the bathroom, on the left side wall, there is a room control panel. You can adjust the lighting in the main room or the bathroom, as well as control the curtains, temperature controls, and room audio. The room audio controls are there because the TV audio is actually connected throughout the room, so anything you're watching will play over the room's sound system, which even includes the bathroom. As you enter the main part of the room, the right side is where the counter is for the snacks, coffees, and teas, as well as other knickknacks that I think makes the room feel much more homey. Something that really stuck out was the decoration within the room, which was done extremely well by making the room feel more personal than you would find in your standard hotel. Within each drawer there was various snacks and drinks, which does cost extra if you do have them. I kind of thought at least some of them should have been included, especially for the price you're paying per night. However, the coffees and teas were included at no charge. Further down the room was the lounging area, which had a good sized TV and lounge table with an additional chair and lounge sofa. On the left side of the main room are the two twin beds. Each bed had their own bedside table with plenty of plugs, both the standard and USB to charge any devices you brought with you. There was also the light and curtain controls located here. The beds, although I wish they could have been queen size beds, were very comfortable. For the turn down service in the evening, housekeeping would prep the beds as well as lay down slippers on all bedsides. I had my phone charger plugged into the socket on my side throughout the stay there, and when I returned to the room each day, the wires were rolled up and secured using a leather button clip to hold it in place, which I thought was a very nice touch. The lounge sofa was very soft and comfortable. I actually found myself sitting on it and looking out into the city quite often. The table was large and had lots of space. I ended up using my laptop here. Another nice touch was when housekeeping came in for the day, they noticed I had my laptop out and was working, and it was on the table. They placed a folded rosewood screen wipe towel next to my laptop to use. The oranges that were on the table as well are offered for guests to eat. As you can see, the windows were floor to ceiling. The curtains that covered them were both the sheer curtains and the blackout curtains. As mentioned earlier, they were both automatic using the wall controls either bedside or in the hallway. As for the view, I really enjoyed the view that we had. We were looking towards the north end of the city. You can see the Troy Changbar Peninsula area as well as the bridges crossing them. Both the Chaktumuk and Mekong rivers can be seen from our room. There were some window handles that I noticed and tried to see if they were allowed to open them, but they were both locked. Overall, the room is absolutely beautiful with amazing decorations throughout. The hotel service was incredible and friendly. The room's very clean and comfortable. If you have the funds for a stay at the Rosewood Phnom Penh Hotel, you won't be disappointed.
And to support our channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the YouTube algorithm. And for more photos, follow us on Instagram. See you guys on the next episode.